Another way to do this problem, besides turning each of these into base 10, multiplying together and putting back in base 3, is just to leave them in base 3. 2 times 2 is 4, so that would be a remainder of 1 and 1 in the next place. 2 times 0 is 0, plus that 1 becomes 1. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 with the remainder of 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, which is 0 with a remainder of 1, etc. Then you can do that with each subsequent multiplication, indenting one space each time, and then add up at the final step. And this is the same thing you get after turning the multiplication from base 10 back into base 3. I don't know which is faster, but this is another way to accomplish it.